To temporarily silence your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra for a certain period, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find sound and vibration. Tap sound and vibration. Next, select mute as the sound mode. And then tap the gray on off switch next to temporary mute until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Tap mute for. And then select the desired period. As the example, we will select 3 hours. With this setting, your phone will be silenced for the selected period, in this case for 3 hours. However, once the selected period is over, the sound mode on your phone will return to the previous sound mode. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.